In this video, what you are going to learn is the top 3 trending courses right now that you can take it as a free course that you can learn from home, and after the completion of the course you will get a digital certificate that will worth lifetime. So what I am telling is, don't miss this kind of course. It will useful throughout your lifetime. Wherever you go, wherever you are, whether you are applying for a job, whether you are get a promotion, wherever, this kind of extra knowledge that will help you throughout the life. So let's see what are the top trending courses right now that you can get it from your home at your seat without a single rupee. Okay, let's enter. Number 1, Google Digital Learning. Go to Google and search for Google Digital Unlocked. After go to Google and search for Google Digital Unlocked, we can see multiple Google results here. See this free training course from Google Digital Unlocked. Just click this. Before registering, let's see what kind of courses are Google offer for. Yes, here is the result. You can see fundamental of digital marketing, get a business online, make sure customers find you online. You can see multiple courses that Google offers free at your seat. Here is the filter option. Go for free certificate. And these are the 2 free courses that Google offers right now. You can do it from your home. After completion of this course, you can get a digital certificate. It's the certificate that I got from Google after I finished the course. And I can use this certificate wherever I go, wherever I am applying for a job, whether I am applying for a promotion, for extra I can apply this as a extra knowledge. Very useful for us. Okay, let's see how to apply for this course. Go to register, and here now you are saying sign in with Google or sign in with email. If you are having a Gmail ID, then use it. Sign in with Gmail. If you are having any other email in other than Google, then go to sign in with Google email. I'm choosing sign in with Google. Now I'm giving my channel my email ID, which is 360channel360@gmail.com. And then here, once you signed in, you can see to give your personal details like your name, your email ID, and everything. Here I am giving my name. And email preference. Would you like to receive emails with tips on improving your digital skills? Yes. Can our research partners occasionally contact you to give your feedback? Yes. Do you like to receive emails about new courses and related courses? Yes. I am agreeing to the Google's terms and conditions. Then click on next. Registration got finished. Now see, welcome to our new Digital Unlocked. Find courses, watch video tutorial, and test your knowledge. I am ready. Now click on free certificate course. You can see 2 options: fundamental of digital marketing and elements of AL. Whatever course you would like to learn, you can get. For an example, I am going to fundamentals of digital marketing, and then right now here see start course, and Google have tie up with the Open University and IAB, so it works too much. Then click on start course. Then you can see about the course details. It has 26 modules and the course duration is 40 hours. Whoever is very new for the digital marketing, they also can learn. The title itself is Fundamental of Digital Marketing. It's a beginner based course and it is cost free. Just click on start. From here itself the course is starting. You can see the module 1 here. Module 1 bar 26. From here at the end of the module 26 last course, we will uh, we will have an online exam. Once completed that exam, then you are eligible to get the Google Digital Certificate. At the spot you finish the exam. So this is one of the very valuable course. Right now it's very trending. Many of the students and the home workers, they are also studying this course, so use this opportunity. Number 2, Google and search for AICTE, free online courses with certificate. Click here. Go to Google and search for AICTE, free online courses with certificate. You can see the search results here. Just click on, you can see the search results here. Just click on AICTE free courses. Here you can see the multiple online free courses that you can learn from online without paying anything. From basics of the computer to the end of the latest Python, that itself you can learn here without paying a single rupee from here. For some of the courses here they are asking to pay, but most of them here are free courses only. For example, I am choosing Learn Python in Hindi. I am clicking here. The full details of the course is here. Description, product video. Prerequisite is basic of computer knowledge, means the qualification to learn this course is basic of computer knowledge, and infrastructure requirement, company name, and any other specific point. The company name is GUI Geek Network Private Limited. Okay. Then how to register for this course? Just click on learn for free during COVID shutdown. Click on register. Just give a password. Once you registered, you will see a page like this. Click on this. Then go to free courses. See multiple thing: advanced Java, After Effects, JavaScript, HTML, web-based Chrome extensions, TypeScript. These are the very valuable courses that you cannot as a free thing. But here you are learning at a free of cost. Here Python is available in Tamil, Tally available in Telugu, and multiple languages available. Whatever you want to learn from here, you can learn fully free of cost, and you will be certified. If you want to learn design patterns, then click on view. It's a free course already, you can see. Click on view. Yeah, this is your classroom. You can see the syllabus here. Once you finish everything, you will be certified. That's all. Yeah, just try this course if you are interested, and there are multiple courses are here. If you whatever you like to learn, you can learn at the free of cost. You will get a digital certificate which will useful to you throughout your lifetime. Use this website and try to gather some knowledge. Okay, let's go to our third thing. Number 3. Go to Google and search for SWAYAM. Yes, WAYAM. Just click on this. Yes. in this website, the most thing is you can do a PG and UG degree from this website. You can see multiple options here: arts, humanities, language, engineering and technology, education. Even if you're not finished your school, you can finish your school here in the school section, right? Even if you not finish your school, you can do your school from your home. Just by clicking and registering and learning from it, you can finish your school and then you can get a digital certificate. Okay, let's take an example how to register for a course in SWAYAM. I'm going to Human and Arts. I'm going to choose the arts course. Yes, you are seeing Cultural Studies Foundation course in Kathak, Innovative, Indian Vocational Music, Mind Education, Home Science, Sociology, and then Veda, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Beauty Therapy, Beekeeping. Any courses are available here. For example, if I like to do a culture study, just go and click on culture studies. Yeah, you can see the full detail about this course here. If you want to join this course, just click on join. Don't have an account, sign up now. Give a username. I'm giving channel 360. Password. Email address. Click on send verification code. We'll get the verification code from SWAYAM website to your mail. Just go to your mail and check what is the verification code and enter here. Then finally give on create. Then here it will ask to enter your profile. Give your name, your phone number, your email ID, and your age group, and your profession, your qualification, and if you finish your high school or higher secondary or college degree or master degree, what year you got graduated, give the year. Part of your SWAYAM local chapter, give no. On the state, city, degree, and finally give if you are agreed to SWAYAM terms and conditions and give on save. Yeah, after I registered and gave my details, means my profile details, and as I already choose the cultural studies, this is the information about the course. For this there is no book and reference and it is not a certified course. Yeah, for some of the in this website, for some of the courses only they are providing certificate, and for some of them they are not providing, and some of them are free, some of them are paid. Yeah, again I came to the SWAYAM website homepage. Now click on course catalog. You can see the multiple courses here. The screen: architecture and planning, engineering and technology, humanity and arts, even law, many things. Whatever you want to learn, just go and verify before enroll for the course. Before joining the course, make sure that they are providing a certificate or not. If by getting the certificate, then only you can prove you know that. Whether if you are not getting the certificate means you have the knowledge, but you don't have any proof that you are having that knowledge. So before choosing a course from this website, make sure that they are providing a certificate. If not, then it's up to your decision whether you are choosing or not. It's up to your plan. Okay. Okay guys, this is our three websites we saw. Make use of these three websites and try to gather knowledge and try to get the certificates from these websites, which will useful for your lifetime. Okay, make use of it, friends. And who are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.